Welcome! Today, we're going to show you how to send files on Facebook using the updated steps. Whether you need to share documents, images, or videos, this guide will make the process simple and straightforward. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the Messenger icon. This will take you directly to your Messenger conversations. Next, tap the pen icon located in the top right corner of Messenger. This is where you can start a new message. From here, either select a contact from your list or type their name into the search bar to find them. Now that you've opened a conversation with your chosen contact, look for the plus sign icon near the text box. Tap on it to reveal more options. Among these options, select the attachment icon. It's usually represented by a paperclip or similar symbol. At this point, your device's file browser will open. Navigate through your folders and choose the file you want to send. Whether it's a PDF, image, or video, select it by tapping on it. Finally, hit Send, and your file will be shared instantly with your contact. They'll be able to view or download it directly from Messenger. And that's it! You've successfully sent a file using Facebook Messenger. This feature is perfect for sharing important documents or fun moments with friends and family. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using social media efficiently.